Hi, I'm Jeanne, your farm assistant owner here at Revival Farms, and I am dedicated to helping you restore your health naturally. Today, we're going to go over the Ortho Molecular Core Restore Kit, which is a 7-day detox kit to help you improve your liver function and improve and increase cellular metabolism. The Core Restore Kit is a mild way of detoxing, and you will feel the improvements after 7 days with feeling lighter, metabolism quicker, and you'll just feel a whole lot better. It's a good start to your wellness journey. Let's take a look.
Okay, here is our Core Restore Kit, and it comes with everything you're going to need to do this detox. The first thing that you will see in the box is going to be the instruction book. And in this booklet, you'll see it laid out each day what your plan needs to be. It will give you some cooking ideas, some recipes to use, some food that you should avoid, and some food that you should include. Also in the kit, you will see the core support, the French vanilla. It comes in chocolate as well, and that's to make the smoothie, the PhytoCore supplement, and the last one is the MitoCore. So to mix up your smoothie mix, I made some hemp milk with some hemp hearts that I had, because it does say that maybe you should not use regular dairy. And part of this milk, you can use water. You'll do your core support. It comes with a scoop, 2 scoops of powder into the milk or the water to make your smoothie. Part of the smoothie mix later on in the instructions is you can add some vegetables and some fruits, things that are going to improve your detoxification. Once you have that mixed up, if you have an immersion blender or any blender or even a blender bottle, you will just shake your smoothie up, hit the power button to do some serious mixing for a little bit, and once you have that completed, voila, you have yourself your Core Restore smoothie ready to drink.